ganti.
Bosan di Smartfm.
Enggak apa-apa, enggak apa-apa.
Smart listen.
.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life with us and with me, Mutmainatu Safia, as the host tonight. We are going to talk about new topics, and of course, I'm not alone here. I'm already with some of the guests, our special guests, as always, BPEC Makassar. So yeah, before we talk or even discuss this topic, our topic tonight, perhaps we can get to know with our guests first. So first, yeah.
Alright, hello smart listener. My name is Muhammad Yusril Abidin, and you guys can call me Yusril. And right now I am a student in Islamic State University of Makassar.
Hello, Kak Yusril.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. And then next to Kak Yusril.
Okay, good evening, smart listener. My name is Rifki. You can call me Rifki or Honey, maybe.
Oh my God, honey. Oh.
Okay, I'm a student in Universitas Islam Makassar, and it's the last semester.
Oh,
Thank you.
hello, Kak Rifki. Nice to meet you. And then next to me on my right side.
Okay, hello smart listeners. My name is Ichal. I'm currently maybe you can call it fresh graduate, but I'm not
fresh
not really
graduate.
not officially, not officially
yeah.
quote unquote. Hello smart listener.
Hello, Kak Ichal. Nice to meet you. And then next.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
My full name is Abdullah Ibn Tampamukas. You can call me Wahid. I come from Suminasa and I take lecture in Muhammadiyah University of Makassar.
Oh, such a long name, but we can call him Wahid, Kak Wahid. Yeah, nice to meet you, Kak Wahid.
Yes, nice to meet
Okay, so we are going to talk about how to be polyglot. Yeah, to be polyglot. But maybe we have to know about what is BPEC Makassar first. One of our guests can introduce what is BPEC. Yeah, Kak Ichal, probably Kak Ichal.
Okay, smart listener. As we know, BPEC is one of the oldest English community in Makassar. BPEC is acronym from Benteng Panyo English Club. And every day we conduct a lovely Sunday meeting every Sunday, start from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. So in the Sunday meeting, it's free. It's free from charge. You just come, and then there's so much items there. That we will be start with who am I, where people the newcomers will introduce themselves, then start again to ice breaking, where we'll be breaking the ice, breaking the awkwardness in among us, and then the next will be the ND or debate and discuss and debate. So that will be debating and discussing such a unique topic, a very interesting topic, and that's different every week. And then jumps to the building skill, where our committee will teach you new skills, either it's about grammars, idioms, and etc. Also, will there's be in entertainments where you can show up your skill or things that you mastering it, maybe like singing, pantomime, stand-up comedy, whatever you like. And the last will be announcements, where you can announce anything that you want, either it's like wedding party, a graduation party, or any job vacancy, or maybe scholarship. So, and by the way, today this month, BPEC is doing an open recruitment. So if smart listeners want to join us to become our committee, you can just check our Instagram at BPEC Makassar.
Oh, thank you. Such a good explanation. So the smart listeners can join your community, right? Wow, and it's free.
It's free.
Wow, is it any requirement for being participant?
There's no requirements. There's no special requirements. So if you, we accept everyone from every jobs, every background. So you just can come, either you student, fresh graduates, on job, still seeking a job. You just can come and learning.
So
between
it's
us.
open for public.
Yes, it's open for
Oh my
public.
God, such an interesting, and it's a pity if the smart listeners cannot join the English meeting, yeah.
true.
Wow, thank you, Kak Ichal. Yeah, we are going to discuss to be polyglot. All of you already heard about these words to be polyglot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe I'm going to ask Kak Yusril first. Yeah.
All right.
Maybe you can explain to all of us what is polyglot.
Oh yeah, talk about polyglot. As you know, the polyglot is the other term or the other name of multilingualism.
Multilingualism.
Like multilingualism is the term that represent people who know more than two languages, because there are three types of people who know languages. Like the first one is like monolingualism, the people that just know one language, and it's always happen with old people right now. Like they just know their local language and don't know our Indonesian language. And then like bilingualism, and this happen for people who now like they know their local language and also they know Indonesian language. And like multilingualism, or like our topic polyglot, they know more than two languages, whether it's like just English and Indonesian and their local language, that can be categorized as a polyglot.
Oh, it can be categorized as polyglot.
Yeah.
I see. And then I'm a polyglot person then.
Yeah, you can be categorized.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Yusril. And then next, Kak Rifki. Can you explain to all of us what is polyglot, and are you a person who is polyglot?
Thank you for the chance. Actually, no, I'm not the polyglot one, but you can imagine if your polyglot is in meaning about Indonesian it have not a lot of language. Traditional, we have more than 100. That's right.
Yes.
Yeah. If I know about Makassar language, Bugis language,
Yes.
Japanese language,
Yeah.
that is an Indonesian language. That's four. I think that's enough for polyglot, yeah.
Yes.
So we can come.
Yeah. So you are a polyglot
Not
person.
only language for international like English, French,
I see.
what's Japan, Korean.
Japanese. Yeah, Korean.
But for me, it's polyglot. If you have or you can know how to speak, not only how to speak, but you can write by the sentence, and that is will be called by polyglot or multilingual.
Multilingualism.
Multilingualism or
Okay, I see. Thank you, Kak Rifki. And then next, Kak Ichal. Can you please explain what is polyglot to our smart listeners? Do you have some same opinion as our brothers?
Yes, polyglot. So as I know, polyglot is maybe just same as Yusril, that polyglot is people who speak more than two languages. Yeah, I think that's more or less what I know about
Yes.
polyglot.
So, are you a polyglot person?
No, unfortunately, I'm not a polyglot person.
Oh, really?
Yes, I'm like knowing. I'm like knowing some the basic of some languages, but just the basic of it, especially the traditional one, like Bugis or like Makassar.
Yes.
I can understand some, but I'm not. I don't want to say myself like mastering it, that language.
Yeah.
Also, like in Japan, I'm also like kind of understand when people speaking Japanese, but because
Me.
I watching anime.
Oh, you watch anime. So, yeah.
Ani-chan?
Yeah, wah.
Okay.
I just like understand, but I won't say that I'm like know or mastering that. So I'm just say that I maybe understand Indonesia and English quite a bit.
Okay,
Yeah, thank
thank you,
you.
Kak Ichal. And then what about Kak Wahid? Do you have same opinion? What is polyglot, as Kak Yusril said, or even you have different opinion?
Different opinion.
Or do you consider yourself as a polyglot person?
No, I just like just learning about especially in English, yeah, because I'm English student in Makassar, and yeah, okay, and I am in community in BPC Makassar, and then I have to learn about more about the
Yes.
English itself. Yeah, I think because English is the most is the what is the most important language that you have to know about it. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Kak Wahid. So yeah, smart listeners, don't go anywhere. We still have the break, commercial break. So stay tuned. Yes. Mike.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Nahwi Buhori. You may call me Nahwi. I come from Goa now. I'm college students of Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. Nice to meet you all.
Hello, Kanawi. Nice to meet you. And then, yeah, we have special guest that has been long time no see with us. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, thank you. The one and only, the most beautiful here.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, because I'm the only one girl here.
Yeah, okay. My name is Samsari Diaz, but you can call me Diaz. I was committee of BPEC 2012.
Wow, 2012.
Yes.
Wow, it's such a long time.
Nice to meet you guys here.
Nice to meet you,
This is
Kak
our
Diaz.
first here. I mean,
Yes.
TikTok chit chat here live by on
Yeah,
radio.
this is our first time, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Kak Diaz.
Anytime.
Yeah, we were talking about to be polyglot, and then yeah, perhaps we can continue our discussion, and maybe I wanna ask our new guest, Kak Diaz. Yeah, what do you think about to be polyglot?
Actually, to be polyglot, everybody may be polyglot, but actually it's hard, because this is an unusual habit in the word. Actually, some people they can speak 4 languages, 6 languages, 11, 20, even 60 languages. Oh my God, just imagine. If you can speak at least 4 languages, we can call you polyglot. But if you speak 1 monolingual, 2 bilingual, 3 and trilingual. But if you can speak 4, you are a polyglot. So I myself, I don't know, Makassar, English, Indonesia, Konjo,
Wow.
4 languages.
Wow, 4 languages. So you are a polyglot person. I guess all of us are a polyglot person here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Kak Diaz.
You're
Yeah,
welcome.
next, Kak Nahwi. What do you think about to be polyglot, our topic tonight? Or do you also consider yourself as a polyglot person?
Okay, so I've read recently in some of resources about polyglot. So polyglot means that someone who can speak 1 or more than 2 languages.
Yeah.
And also our brother Kak Diaz has mentioned that if you are polyglot, you can speak at very least 4 languages. I myself probably I'm not a polyglot because I nowadays I haven't mastered more than 4 languages. If I'm not mistaken, now I only can speak English, Indonesia, and including my traditional languages, Makassar.
Oh,
Only
yeah.
3 languages. So, I think that's all.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you, Kanawi. Okay, yeah. And what about you, Kak Ichal? What do you think? How to be a polyglot person?
How to be a polyglot? I think it's when we're talking about polyglot, we're talking about
Yes.
mastering a language, which is a
Yes.
skill.
Yeah.
So I think it's more like about building a habit, learning, searching for a place where you can learn the basic of the language you want to learn.
Yes.
Maybe it's not always like an international language. Maybe in local language, just as our brothers say, Kak Rifki, that there's so much local language in Indonesian. Maybe you want to learn Japanese or Sundanese or Balinese.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's about like building the habit, because like as we know, as all everyone here learning English, that we join BPC because we want to building a habit. So yeah, I
Yes.
think it's the most important thing, that building the habit first.
Thank you, Kak Ichal. So build a habit. Yeah. What about you, Kak Rifki? Oh yeah. What about you? What else you think? How to be a polyglot person?
How to be
How to be a polyglot?
How to be.
How to be
I think not only but you know how to speak, how to listen, how to
Yes.
reading, and you must know all the basic from the language.
Yes.
Yeah. So example, if you what is in meaning mengaku?
Conference.
Conference. Are you a polyglot, mate? Yeah. Can you make sentence for me? But if you don't know how to make sentence, that no. That's for me. But if you want to be, that is you must learn more and not only by the class but by autodidact. I mean, yeah,
By
you can
yourself?
try in for people or by yourself in mirror and say hi in the mirror. That's for me.
Oh yeah, so speak to yourself and know the basic. Okay, thank you. What about you, Kawahid? What do you think? How to be a polyglot person?
Okay, I think every people want to be like mastery many languages, like maybe like English or Arabic or Japanese or something like that. Yeah, I think I have some trick about how to be the polyglot. For the first, we want to try about it. Yeah, if you want to like try master about the English or Japanese or Arabic or something like that, yeah, you have to want to try about it. And the second, you have to learn about it. For example, you can watch the movie or watching a news, or maybe you can listening many what is many media. For the third, you have to struggle, and then jangan pantang menyerah about it.
Don't
You
give
have
up.
to learn your time. You have to you have to spare your time about it, and then you have to find the partner. Yeah, because we want to like test our language. Yeah, you have to find the partner, such as like simple conversation about each other or among us, or you can like join in community English communities such as like BPC Makassar, and then we know it's we know BPC Makassar open recruitment about it. Yeah, it's the good kesempatan what is the good chance about it. Yeah, you can find the new partner in this. And then the third is you have to adaptate among for you. Yeah, for example, like change your option in the ponsel from Indonesia to English, or you can learning in other media that you get, like the internet or something like that. Okay, I think that's
Oh yeah, such a nice explanation. So your suggestions to our smart listeners, you said that they have to manage their time
Yeah,
to
you have
learn new languages, yeah.
Yes,
And then after that, join community. Wow. So joining a community, I guess it's very impact for it's a good impact for us, yeah, to join a community, because you can speak to your friends or else. Yeah, thank you, Kalahiyat. So what about you, Kadias? Do you have any suggestion to our smart listener how to be a polyglot person?
Yeah. To be polyglot, actually, this is a come from your interesting. That the first. The second is just put your plan, and the third is action. And one of to enrich your ability in foreign language. One of them is English. But if you want to speak fluently, of course, absolutely, you have to join. Like Brother Wahid say, you have to join. Absolutely, you have to join in English meeting club. There are many English meeting club in Makassar. One of there are Max, there are BPEC, HAG, and the polyglot meeting club is Mak Bicara.
Oh,
also.
Mak Bicara,
Yeah,
yes.
we have many actually. We have Exit and many others. So, but the most important is if you want to be polyglot, the first position is English. Why? Because the speakers, the first position speakers is all of the word is English, and the second is Mandarin and others. So absolutely, you have to speak English before you speak others, because English is a very important. And for information, if you want to speak fluently, you have to join in our community in BPEC.
Wow, community
Yes.
BPEC. Wow, it's such
We
a
open,
good, yeah.
and this is a very very interesting because free.
Oh,
The
wow.
oldest English meeting club in Makassar.
Oh, so it's such a good chance, yeah. to improve
36
yourself.
years. Just imagine.
Wow,
Give me
36
applause.
years. Oh. Woo.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's it.
Okay, thank you, Kak Dias.
welcome.
Wow. So yeah, our smart listeners, we'll back after the commercial break.